Bradford declared a climate emergency in January 2019, and we're working with the West Yorkshire Combined Authority to become the first net zero city region by 2038. And the use of Milepave is one of the things we are doing to actually take us on that journey to becoming more sustainable.
Milepave is our asphalt grouting macadam, consisting of an open graded paver-laid asphalt that is then sealed and grouted with a liquid asphalt grout. The grouting process reinforces surface strength, sealing the surface from water and grass and enhancing the flexibility of the material, preventing aggregate loss and joint failure. Fagley Road is a concrete carriageway, so we're delivering our Milepave for concrete surfacing system, which consists of several key elements that address all the typical issues. Firstly, the carriageway is planed 40 mm at the curb line, reducing to a few millimetres at the centre line, negating the need to adjust footway heights and curb heights. Once the concrete is exposed, the joints are cleaned out and sealed with rubberised bitumen to prevent water and grass. Once the Milepave surfacing is complete, shallow inducement joints are cut directly above the concrete expansion joints below and sealed with rubberised bitumen to prevent reflective cracking. Milepave is 40% lighter in carbon than conventional asphalt. The material uses less aggregate, less bitumen and lower mixing temperatures.
We were initially approached due to our close collaboration with Miles Macadam for our thoughts on two schemes within the Bradford Clean Air Zone. This was a perfect opportunity to offer our reduced emissions asphalt, Hanson Clean Air. We developed Clean Air with Shell, using a specialist bitumen primarily for use within London's low emission zone, and underwent extensive trials to ensure it had no adverse effect on the ultimate performance of the finished asphalt with regards to workability, compactability or longevity. Clean Air can reduce emissions of nitrogen oxides, sulphur dioxide, volatile organic compounds and particulates by 40% compared to conventional mixes.
Use of the material on the sites that we've actually done is equivalent of taking about 147 vehicles off the road. So again, it really does help us achieve that air quality standard that we need.
Bradford's goal was to deliver a surfacing scheme to address the reoccurring issues while using a low carbon material that had a positive impact on air quality. The use of Milepave and our pre and post concrete carriageway jointing system, partnered with Hanson's Clean Air Asphalt technology, has made it possible to address the engineering and maintenance challenges while saving carbon and having a positive impact on Bradford's local air quality. Over the entire scheme, we'll surface 14,000 square metres with Milepave, saving 160 tonnes of aggregate and 21 tonnes of bitumen.
This product saves 38 metric tonnes of carbon compared to standard HRA materials, so it's something we can really demonstrate a benefit to the council in terms of its climate emergency response.